Okay guys, I got my bike back together from restoring it. Finally got my fairings in, my carbon fiber fairings. From the time that I laid it down, these fairings actually, they look pretty good. They look really good on here. I got them from MDI Carbon Fiber, which they do have a wide selection of carbon fiber fairings for different bikes. Give you a close-up look there. I do say they came out pretty good. The fitment on them are pretty good. I'd say about 98%. Pretty close fitment on them. Now the bottom belly pans here, I gotta get some carbon fiber belly pans. I just use the same ones because they're not in bad shape. I can reuse those until I get the new ones. But these came out pretty good. The tail side fairings, I ordered the stickers put on there. Came out pretty good. I must say. These are definitely much stronger than the original ones. These are actually cheaper than actually ordering these from Kawasaki, the original fairings from Kawasaki himself. I think I got these for about around $1,200, $1,300. Kawasaki probably would have cost me 1,600 bucks. Of course, this here is a little scratchy, but it's not in bad shape. I can buff that out. I need to get a new lens and a new side fairing down here, but it's a work in progress. But I had to get a new windshield, so I went ahead and got the high bubble windshield. Got new mirrors. These are not real carbon fiber, these are fake carbon fiber. But these are, it gives you the illusion. I just needed something cheap to have mirrors on here that would pass inspection. Maybe later on down the road I'll get some real carbon fiber mirrors. But they don't look bad. They're pretty good. They're exactly the same as the original ones that came on it from Kawasaki. Fully functional. You can move the mirrors around and things like that. But guys, I just wanted to show you, since I got it back together, since I've got done restoring it, and I had to replace the water pump on it. I'll do a water pump rebuild on it, and I'll show you that, rebuilding the water pump. But came out pretty good. As you can see right here, I have to buff this out. I got to get me a buffer. This is all in good shape. Gas tank was in good shape. Just a few scratches here and there. Just thank God that that's all I did to it, was just crack the fairings up, the side fairings, and that's it. Nothing else major. Nothing on the frame, wheels, forks, engine, and all that's in good shape. Except for the subframe right here. The subframe was kind of bent. As you can see, the subframe here is bent, like right down here. It's bent. It's all bent up right here, and it's bent to the side. So I had to replace this. It's the biggest thing that I had to replace. That's about it. Alright guys, I'm going to cut you off now because I'm going to go for a little ride. I don't have the camera mounts on there right now. I'll put them on there later. Then I can start taking you for a ride. Right now, taking it one step at a time. Alright guys, peace out.